Hey everyone, I am a first reporter for this group. My topic is anatomic movement. Flexion and extension are movement that occur in the sagittal plane. They refers to increasing and decreasing the ankle between two body parts. Flexion. Flexion refers to a movement that decreases the angle between two body parts. Extension refers to a movement that increases the angle between two body parts. Abduction and adduction are two terms that are used to describe movement towards or away from the middle of the body. Abduction is a movement away from the midline, just as abducting someone is to take them away. Abduction. Abduction is a movement towards the midline. Adduction of the hip squeezes the legs together.